Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure we have one square and two semicircles. So you can see that this is our square, this is one semicircle and this is another semicircle. And we have to find the ratio of A to B to C. So you can see that this red line length is A, this blue line length is B, and this green line length is C. So we have to find the ratio of A to B to C. So let's see how we can do this. So you see this figure. In this figure, let's assume this P dash point is the center of this bigger semicircle. And we can see that this A point and D point are lying on the semicircle. And we also know that from the center to the any point on the circle, the distance is equal to the radius of the circle. So let's assume the capital R be the radius of this semicircle. So this is capital R and this is capital R. We can easily see that this X point is also lying on this semicircle. So this is also capital R, and this P point is also lying on this semicircle. So this is also capital R. We can easily see that. And now you also assume this O point to the center of the smaller semicircle, and we also know that this Q point, this B point, this P point, and this Y point all are lying on this smaller semicircle. And let's assume small r be the radius of this smaller semicircle. So we know that this distance is smaller, this distance is smaller, this distance is smaller, and this is also smaller. So now we know these distances. Now if you look at the triangle ABD, so this is A point, this is B point, and this is D point, and you can see that this BD is a diagonal of this square, and we can note that this is capital R and this is capital R. So this whole distances will become like 2 times capital R, which is the side of the square. And we know in the square all sides are equal, so this is also capital 2R and this is also capital 2R, and this is 2 times capital R. So all distances are 2 times capital R, this is 2 times capital R, and this is 2 times capital R. So all are same. And you see, we can write this thing by applying Pythagoras theorem in the triangle A, B, and D. This is 90-degree angle. So BD square, which is this diagonal square, is equal to this AB square plus AD square. This thing, we know this is 2 times capital R. This is also 2 times capital R. After squaring, it will become like 8 times capital R square. And after taking square root, it will become like 2 root 2 times capital R. So this is the diagonal. Now you look at the triangle AOP. So this is A point, this is O point, this is P point. You know this distance is capital R, and this distance is capital R, and this distance is small r. And you also know this whole distance AB is 2 times capital R and this distance is small r. So this remaining distance is 2 times capital R minus small r. So what you can do, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle AOP, and you can write OP square is equal to AO square plus AP square. OP we know it is capital R plus small r whole square. This is capital R whole square, and this is 2 times capital R minus small r whole square. So you open this capital R square plus small r square plus this thing is equal to this capital R square plus 4 times capital R square plus R square minus this. So these two will cancel with these two, and the 4 times capital R small r you can take to left hand side, and it will become like this is equal to this. You can cancel one capital R, it will become like, and after you can divide by 2 and it will simplify to this thing. And from here you can get one relation between small r and capital R. So now you know this relationship between small r and capital R. So this is one thing. Now you see the triangle PXD. So this is P, this is X, this is D. We know this is capital R, this is capital R, and in the triangle these two sides are same. So this is an isosceles triangle. This is 90-degree angle. So this angle and this angle will be same. So this will be 45 and this will also be 45. And we can write this red line length is A. So we can write this A square is equal to capital R square plus capital R square, which is 2 times capital R square. And after taking a square root, it will become like small a is equal to root 2 times capital R. So this is the thing. Now you look at the triangle OBY. So this is O, this is B, this is Y. This green line length is small c, so you can write this small c square is equal to this small r square plus small r square after applying the Pythagorean theorem. So it will come like this, and after simplifying, you can find the small c value as root 2 times small r. Now, you also know this diagonal distance. This diagonal is 2 root 2 times capital R. So this is this, and you can subtract this A length, which is root 2 times capital R, and this C length, which is root 2 times small r, and you can find the B length. And we also know relation between small r and capital R. So instead of small r, you can put this 2r by 3 here, and this whole thing will come in terms of capital R. So I just put here, and after simplifying, you can see that the difference of these two leads to root 2 times capital R, and after further simplifying, you can find the value of B as root 2 times capital R divided by 3. So you can simplify this, and finally it will come like this. So now you know all three distances in terms of capital R. Like this distance, you know it is root 2 times capital R. This distance, you know, just we calculated previously, is root 2 times capital R divided by 3. This is the thing. And this distance, you also know, this is root 2 times small r and capital R relation is this. So just I put here, and you can cancel this root 2 times capital R from all threes, and it will lead to this. And after that you multiply by 3, then it will become like this. So this is the final ratio between the length A, B and C, 3 ratio 1 ratio 2. And in this way we can solve this problem.